Now working through the mathematical section of ET55, 14th of November 2015. So our first maths question is G. So a class 1 plug-in electric heater is designed to use on 230-240 volt supply. No meter reads 24 ohms when measured at the plug. Use calculations to show the supply voltage being used. The power dissipated is 2204 watts. So our formula is P equals V squared over R. Right. Now we have 2204 equals V squared over our 24. Now, if we multiply this side by 24, going for 24 times this side, our 24s cancel. So on the right, so now I have 24 times by 2204 equals V squared. We want to have V equals, so V equals square root of 24 times 2204. V equals calculator. There we go. 24 times 2204, and then we get the square root of our answer, and we get 229.99 volts. And if we look at our answer sheet, we see that voltage equals the square root of P times R equals square root of 2204 times 24 equals 230. So they're actually slightly wrong. They're out by 0.01 of a volt. Moving on to the next question, we have question I. I is also containing maths, unlike a lot of the other questions in this paper. So question I, we have state one formula used to determine the power factor of a three-phase inductive load. So our three-phase power factor formula is P equals the square root of 3 times V line times I line times P dot F, right? Now we want to rearrange this so it's P dot F equals. So we put a line underneath both sides. Now, everything we want to get rid of, because these all multiply out, we write below. So square root of 3 times V line times I line. We don't want to get rid of power factor. Now, whatever we do to one side, we have to do to the other side. So square root of 3 times V line times I line. Now, square root of 3's cancel, V lines cancel, I lines cancel. So we're left with power factor. So P dot F, or power factor, equals our P over root 3 times V line times I line. Question 2 there. State one formula to determine the resistance of a single-phase resistive load if the power and voltage are known. So our formula that we generally learn is power equals V squared over R. We want to rearrange this so that it's R equals. One thing, if you've learned it, is you can literally just swap those two. So R equals V squared over P. If you want to see how we get that, let's go through it in full detail. So we've got P equals V squared over R. We want to rearrange this so it's R equals. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by R. And that way the R's cancel out on the right hand side. So we have R times P equals V squared. And now we divide both sides by P. And then the P's cancel out. So we end up with R equals V squared over